Today, me and Nura, we're gonna pick up some olives from our
tree. But not with my dad because he's on work.
Yeah, he did go. Papa go to work.
Those cats again.
Okay, go. It's fine. Let Mama take some time. Oh, ayan, ang dami na nahulog na olives, baby. Sayang yung mga olives, ang lalaki pa naman. Yay! Ang dami. You can pick it up, babe. Babe! Yan, lagay mo sa ano natin. Lagay mo sa pot mo. The olives. Yeah. Use this one. I will be here on the other side.
We don't pick up the brown one.
Yeah. Ang dami na. Actually, dito marami eh. Dito sa first tree. Malalaki. Malalaki. Kaya, ang sarap gamitas. Ang dami, baby, no?
Yeah.
Iba, hindi ko maaabot. Oh.
Whoa!
What? Be careful, huh? Yeah, put your feet here. Here. Grab it all. Meron pa.
Let's take it down.
Meron pa. Watch it out. Watch out. Aray ko. We're gonna water the plants. Eh, meron pa, baby. Ang dami pa dito, oh. You didn't pick it up. Okay.
There's too much.
But show them what you pick. Dito. Lapit ka sa cam. Lapit ka sa cam. What is this?
Olives.
This is what you pick.
Olives.
I think that is enough, baby. I cannot stand anymore.
I want to
Tomorrow.
water the plant.
We can water the plants now. Come on, let's go. Niligpit daw niya yung hose. It will be wet, baby. Be careful. Yeah, okay. Konti na lang. Yeah, just keep it there, baby. Papa will fix it. Ding! Come on, let's go. Slowly. Okay.
Those are high steps. You got it.
I got it. Yeah, okay. Okay, now. What we're going to do now?
Wash the olives.
Wash the olives so we can put it and put it on brine solution.
Look. Look.
Close the water.
The little swirlies.
Yun, dun tayo. Naglalaro siya. O, diba? She's going to play with it.
Roly bolies. When we take it out, it's.
No, it's fine.
If we take it out, it's like bright.
Tiny.
Like a diamond.
What we're going to eat, baby? Nilaga na lang. Magnilaga tayo. I want something to with soup. Huh?
Yeah. Or you will eat the laga.
Nilaga. Chicken nilaga.
Yeah, you and I will eat champurrado.
Champurrado again?
Sorry, the king of champurrado.
You're the king of champurrado. Did I put the chicken?
Remember me.
Frozen chicken natin.
So you can't eat it.
Okay, put the water here. Okay, babe, are you ready to do that? Come. Drain all the water. Alright. Very good job. Put it on one container. I saw a branch. Okay, so now, next, what we're going to do is to
Cook it.
cook it. No, not cook it, but we need to ferment it with some salt. We have to make it with some, sorry, baby. Some salt, rock salt. What do you call this?
Cinnamon.
Basil leaves.
Basil.
Dry basil leaf and cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon.
Okay. So, first what we're going to do, babe, is put... No. Keep your... I want you to mix it with your hand, okay? Okay. Huwag ka na. Hala, nag-stick yung ano ko.
It's so hard to scoop.
Kaya nag-stick yung rock salt ko.
That's okay.
Ayan. We're gonna add about 2... No, it's fine. About 2 teaspoons of rock salt. Okay. Okay, babe, go mix it. Yan. Go more. Yes, it's okay. Squeeze it like that. Yan. Okay, go under. There you go. Then, you need to rub the salt with the olives. Go. Yan. And itong process na to, this process just taught me with one of this process, they just taught me here nung dumating kami kasi nag-pick nga kami ni Nora ng olives last year, and then I asked them paano ba pine-preserve yun. So this is the way that they teach me. Now, Nora is doing it for us. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, keep it going. Keep it going. Go ahead. One more. Then, we're gonna put some dried basil leaves. Maybe around 3 pieces. That will be fine.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And a stick of what? What do you call
Cinnamon
this?
stick. Cinnamon stick.
What do you call this?
Cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick. There you go. Okay, show them how you do it. Go ahead. So, after this, okay, this process is almost done. So, we're going to keep this for 1 week. And, but, every day, we need to rub it. We need to rub it time to time. I mean, every day, we need to rub it once a day. So, we're just gonna keep it here, where is it's easy to get it, para hindi ko rin makalimutan. And after a week, then tsaka natin siya ilalagay sa ating jar para preserve. Yun lang. Ayan, tapos na kami ni Nora mag ayos para dun sa olive. So, magluto naman ako ng lunch. Madali lang naman. Kasi gusto ko nowadays, madali lang akong makapagluto at makabalik sa pahinga para hindi ako ganun matagtag. Dahil nga, di ba, advice na sa atin ni doctor na mag-bed rest until at least maka-reach tayo ng 34 weeks na walang complications. So, until we are expecting our baby, kailangan sundin natin ng doktor ng maigi. Ayan. So, magninilagang manok lang ako. I have my potatoes, cabbage, yung um, pinaka-common na nilagang nilagang manok sa atin. May beans na ako dyan. Yun na lang aayusin ko. Magpapakulo na ako ng tubig para mabilis tayo makapagluto. Diba?